Hey, tech aficionados! Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for all things tech. Today, we've got something that's music to a PC builder's ears. The Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 RAM. If you're looking to supercharge your PC's performance, stay tuned because this RAM means business. Let's kick things off with a bang. When it comes to RAM, quality is paramount. The Corsair Vengeance LPX is hand-sorted for those high-performing memory chips. Why does that matter? Well, it ensures not only impressive performance but also generous overclocking headroom. Building or upgrading a PC can be a hassle, especially when it comes to compatibility. But worry not. The Vengeance LPX is your compatibility superhero. It's optimized to play nice with the latest Intel and AMD DDR4 motherboards. That means less stress and more performance. Size matters, especially in the world of PC building. The Vengeance LPX boasts a low-profile design with a height of just 34 mm. What does that mean for you? Well, it fits beautifully in most small form-factor builds. No more cramming headaches. When things heat up, you need a RAM that can keep its cool. Corsair knows this too well, and that's why they've equipped the Vengeance LPX with solid aluminum heat spreaders. These heat-dissipating heroes ensure your RAM modules consistently run at high clock speeds without breaking a sweat. Ease of setup is vital for a seamless PC building experience. That's where Intel XMP 2.0 steps in. It offers a simple one-setting installation and setup process. Your RAM will be optimized without a hitch. We know that personalization is key. The Vengeance LPX is available in multiple colors so you can match it with the style of your system. Whether you're going for a sleek, professional look or a vibrant, eye-catching build, there's a color to suit your taste. And there you have it, tech enthusiasts, the Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 RAM. A powerhouse that combines quality, compatibility, and style in one sleek package. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech insights. Have any questions or experiences to share? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep building, keep innovating, and keep exploring the world of gadgets.